flattering that he's sleeping on my coat.
Hi, Dewey.
Yeah, very nice. He's a peaceful sleeper. Ladies and gentlemen, once again,